webmisi review, legit cloud mining MLM with 3.9% daily ROI. Welcome to my webmisi review, legit cloud mining MLM with 3 daily ROI or scam? My name is Scott and I have been an accountant for 3 decades. Webmisi is receiving online attention due to their cloud mining. Apparently it is making claims of 3.9% day-by-day returns. Please like, comment, share or subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. I am of the belief someone approached you about the business. You came here to make sure it's on the level. I'm going to guide you through webmisi and its products and compensation plan. You will want to make an intelligent decision before joining. Read this to the end and pay close attention. Webmisi's forte is blockchain development and crypto mining. They claim to have a team of specialists that produce and test high-quality crypto mining systems. That's wonderful, except what they have ghosted us on who these owners are or the specialists are. I investigated their domain information on webmisi.net and discovered webmisi privately registered on July 12, 2019 and then updated on September 29, 2021. They hit the web in early October. Webmisi says they have crypto mining services, but where are they? You must first become an affiliate, then you can recruit into the company and invest. Other companies I reviewed in this space are Hyperfund and Zetbull. Webmisi makes affiliates invest into the company on a claim they will get some kind of comp in return. They support 2 sets of plans: basic plans and premium plans. Premium plans. Mining key, investing $10 to $10,000 and receiving 13% weekly for 5 weeks. Mining block, investing $20 to $20,000 and receiving 1.8% daily for 35 days. Mining data, investing $50 to $30,000 and receiving 3.9% daily for 40 days. Referral program. The referral program is dependent on your status. People with normal status, they need invest up to $1,000. Then people with superior status, they need invest $1,000 to $2,000. Next, people with leader status, they need to invest $2,000 or more. Comp plan is a uni-level. The type and the number of levels on which you are compensated depends on your status. Normal, L1 to 3%, Level 2 to 1%, Level 3 to 0.5%. Superior, 1 to 5%, Level 2 to 1.5%, Level 3 to 1%, Level 4 to 0.5%. Leader, L1 to 7%, Level 2 to 2%, Level 3 0.1%, Level 4 to 0.5%, Level 5 to 0.5%. Referral network bonuses. Referral network bonuses is paid on the amount you are producing in your sponsored downline. Leadership bonuses. Leadership bonus can be achieved by produce certain amount of income through your first line only or your personally sponsored affiliates. Cost to join webmisi. Net review. Webmisi affiliate membership is actually without cost, but to be part of the investment opportunity, you must drop $10. Quite different from most webmisi reviews. Here is the straight scoop as laid out in my final verdict, so keep paying close attention. Daily ROI or scam? The company claims experts, however, no proof of any of them. As of right now the company is young, only 9 days old and has 581 members, making it very new. Webmisi stats. Because I could not find evidence of any crypto mining or trading, the only income I could find is new investments paying off old members. In other words, can you say Ponzi? Once recruitment slows down they can pull the rug when you least expect. Because the ownership is ghostly, who do you hold accountable? Unregulated means no accountable if they exit scam. Run, don't join, but at least pay attention to my number 1 recommendation because it comes with the test of time. My number 1 recommendation: how to sponsor people on demand. I have been in the network marketing field for a number of years and have been a consistent performer in this industry, so I know what benefit features to be on the look for when you associate with a company. What I found out is to target people who want to be in your network marketing business, land them on your landing page and convert them to sales through online tech. No sales calls to boot. Business help. I am going to show you how to sponsor 10, 20, 30 people a month or more in your network marketing business. Once you graduate from our training, we are going to help you rocket your business online and make your initial sale. The first one is the toughest and sometimes most elusive. Moreover, every single student that joins our education platform will get a one-on-one advisor to help you with every step. It's really a simple decision. On the down low, we have limited spots per month because of our one-on-one assistance. So don't delay. You will thank me on the other side, smiley face, for realizing that in my webmisi review it is not a legit cloud mining MLM. By the way, just follow me on social media description below. Please like, comment, share or subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon.